Checkstyle. Checkstyle is a plugin to help a programmer to write a correct format of code. So what is exactly mean of Checkstyle? So before going to start Checkstyle, we have two more plugins also, PMD CPD. So what PMD CPD is generally will do, it will try to alert you if you write any unnecessary code, unnecessary variables, or anything without writing any implementation, writing some methods. So that make you try to improve your coding standard, and it will improve your performance, and it will try to reduce heap space. But Checkstyle is not like that. So it will try to make you write a correct format of code. Okay, so I wanna give you one example which will useful for you to write a Checkstyle. So you are trying to use one class which is written by some other person. So whenever you see any classes, how you will do, first you will try to understand how that code flow, how that is working and all. But coding wise nothing, but technically you can able to understand, but functionally or business logic you may miss without explaining someone else or without seeing any comments. So if someone don't write any Java docs, Checkstyle will make you alert, please try to write a Java docs. So Checkstyle, right, everyone, it will try to make all the people to follow some code formats, something like whether Java docs or tabs, spaces, or writing lines, without seeing length of the code, and sometimes inputs of classes, for example unnecessary imports, duplicates of imports, if constructor must use braces. So naming conventions of attributes and methods, and multiple complexity measurements. So these and all, right, very good practices for a Java developer. So those things will be, if you don't follow these statements, Checkstyle will alert you to write a proper way of code. So generally people will think, oh, I'm writing a proper code, I'm writing a Java docs, and I'm checking always format using Ctrl+Shift+F and all. But sometimes if you are going to increase your application, and many people are trying to implement, or many developers are there for the application, sometimes may miss. So Checkstyle will violate if you don't follow certain rules which are implemented in Checkstyles. So this is the very good practice which developer has to follow. So for example, we have how we can check Checkstyle. So if we are using Maven, we can add this plugin, Checkstyle plugin, so that Maven will alert you about Checkstyle violations. So this is the one way. And other way is, if you are not following Maven, or if you don't want to add plugin for Maven build, so you can directly install Eclipse plugin, and you can verify whenever you write any code. So for example, if you want to add it in Maven, right, this is the plugin. So whenever you do Maven clean install without the Checkstyle violation fixes, it will not allow you to write, it will not allow you to build any application. So this is the example. And if you don't want to include test cases, this one is, you can use it for true or false based on the situation. And if you don't want to violation fail, nothing but if you don't want to fail build, or if you want to check other any other time, you can make this fail on a violation is false. And for example, in Checkstyles we have a different rules. Just now we have seen that we have a different rules. So if you something is if you feel not required to add it as a checkstyle rule, you can define your own checkstyle rule configuration file and you can use it. So if you don't specify this checkstyle rule XML, right, so whatever is available in Maven Checkstyle plugin, we have a default XML file that will be treated as a rule XML and will be executed. So after adding it, right, so you can see your violations, checkstyle violations inside a target or inside site. We have a HTML where it will format and show the violations in a format. So this two way we can go and see our checkstyle violations. I hope this will make you